This is what I wear for my night rides. I wanted to show you how the night eye works at night, how it looks and feels at night. Standard bell helmet, GoPro, mic adapter, just adapter, and Shri. Thank you so much for watching, guys. What's up, guys? My name is Shri and welcome to my YouTube channel. Voila! I changed my stock bulb of the Interceptor to an LED one, which is very good for night riding. It is a night eye. You can find it almost anywhere from AliExpress to Amazon, and it's fairly cheap. It'll cost you about 1200 to 1400 rupees depending on where you buy it from. And yes, the visibility in this is awesome. I don't know why Royal Enfield did not come up with an LED light in the first place. It would have been so much better. If not, then at least introduce an option for the customer to have company fit LED lights. I know there might be a lot of cost cutting involved and all of that, but you know, an option like it is doing with Meteor currently, an option to customize however you want it. Which would give the customer a little satisfaction as to this is what I want and this is what I'm getting. Yep, see, high beam and low beam, it's pretty powerful. This is a good bike to ride on the city or to take it on a tour. But don't take it to trails. I mean, yes, a lot of you must have taken it on the trails. I myself have taken it to trails just once, because now I know what to do and what not to do. This is meant to be a motorcycle that you can ride on the streets, on the road. If it was off-road, then it would have been branded as such. But since it's not, which means it isn't. That's just my opinion, guys. Next, I will install LED turn signals. I'm thinking about Rizoma. They are top of the line when it comes to turn signals or reservoir caps or brake or clutch levers. Which would be awesome. And also I'm thinking about changing these headlight brackets, which is grey. In my opinion, it just doesn't go with the look of the bike. Looks like someone stuck a piece of plastic on these pipes. Might as well be black, like most of the parts here. And look at those indicators. Definitely I don't want anything of that sort. That's just too much Jintak for me. I want to make people aware of my presence, but I don't want to attract their attention. It's getting colder in Delhi. Anyway, this is the best time to take out your motorcycles because there is no traffic, at least on these roads, which means you can get a good view of the light that's in front of you. Pretty nice. I want to see who's coming and who's not, because you get smarter with every accident. See, the lights are pretty bright. And plus, the night eye bulb also has a built-in fan in it, so in case if it ever gets overheated, it'll stay cool. Man, it just brings a smile to my face when you just accelerate. It's wow. I don't want to do anything performance oriented or related to this thing. This is just awesome. Mwah! Perfect in my opinion. Perfect. Cosmetically, yeah, there is a lot of room for improvement. But performance wise, it's good. Utility wise, it's okay.